Just looking at the aerodynamics of a military-grade scooter, PG strapped to the side. It even has that little front pallet thing, so you can from left to right as we rotate it. We can see it is not very aerodynamic at all, actually. It's a lot, and it creates a massive cavity for the person to go in, which means it would be better for in terms of ride comfort because you wouldn't have the air blowing you around. But it's not as aerodynamic. And there's quite a bit of redirection from the underneath and around the sides. Actually, there's more underneath and over the top than around the sides. And now we have a picture of the military-grade scooter in a field, for example, rolling towards its destination. And we have the the X-plane going through, colored in the U magnitude from 0 to 26 meters per second. And interestingly, you can see the wake from the bazooka a bit, except it gets pushed out. So the bazooka is actually symmetric, but because of the air coming from the bazooka going around it, to also have to be redirected a little bit as well. And there's a massive wake in like the area where the person sits. What else do you think would be good as a military grade variant? So make sure to like and subscribe and check out that mess with Hawk to make your experiments better. It gets rid of a lot of the errors. Link in the description. Peace out, amigos.